This is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable autofill code on Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. An autofill service is an app that makes it easier for users to fill out forms by injecting data into the views of other apps. Autofill service can also retrieve user data from the views in an app and store it for use at a later time. So how to enable this feature on your phone? It's very simple. First of all, you can open your settings on your phone. From settings, you can go to Google. Now, you can select on the email that you use. Now you can just go to all services. From all services, you can scroll down. You can select on autofill with Google. Now you can just select on Google account, your Google account, and you can just select on continue. You have to make sure that your email that you use for autofill is active. After that, you can just select on continue. So now, whenever you get a code from any platform to verify, the code will be autofilled on the platform. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable autofill on Android. Thank you and see you.